Microsoft is secretly resetting your settings every reboot, most especially when you restart your device or when you update your device to the latest version. Microsoft will reset every settings you've put in place, thereby bringing out a lot of updates, a lot of misinformation, a lot of things that you don't really need on your device. But what if I tell you can turn off these settings in less than 30 seconds? And that is why this video is the most helpful video you're going to watch on the internet today about your Windows system, on how to put a stop to these informations that Microsoft always brought your screen each time you restart or reboot your device. Click on the start menu here, click on settings, click on system. Here, scroll until you have access to notification, click on it. Once you click on notification, then scroll down to the base of this page. Keep scrolling until you have access to additional settings. Some devices call it advanced settings. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to open like this. Now, here is the deal. Here is what brought that notifications to your device. Suggest a way to get the most out of Windows and finish settings of this device. If this button is checked on your own, click on it and uncheck it. And don't forget to uncheck get tips and suggestions when using Windows. Click on this button and uncheck it. Now close this page. You are good to go. Each time you reset your setting on your devices, Microsoft will not secretly set it again because you've blocked them from accessing that information. And that's all, guys. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and you've not subscribed, please do subscribe. Don't forget to share. Drop a comment in the comment section. See you soon, guys, on our next video.